Hi everyone, welcome to Deb's Favorite Things. I am excited to show you my home office makeover. Hope you enjoy. So this is the before. Okay, now here's the finish. I wanted to go with a more of a modern look for the office. So some of my favorite things I'm really loving about the office is just being with the simple black and white, and just added a little pop of color there. The picture. It is a his and hers office for me and my husband to share. I have a few of my favorite things here on the walls. I am in love with crystal stones. I will be making a video on that soon. And again, some of my pop of color would be the gold pillow accent. If you guys would like to know where I got those from, just leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to let you know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.